Stormy the Raindrop.
Hi, I'm Zeus.
And I'm Stormy. Stormy is a liquid. Stormy the Raindrop is in the form of a liquid. A liquid has a definite volume but no shape of its own. A liquid's particles move freely, so it has no definite shape but has a definite volume. A liquid is also called a fluid, meaning a substance that flows. Liquids have surface tension, which is the result of an inward pull among the molecules of liquids that bring the molecules on the surface area together. The property of a liquid is called its viscosity, which is its liquid's resistance to flowing.
Oh no, there's a bomb in our house. The fire monsters have come to attack us again. What are we going to do? Run!
Haha, you guys got defeated. Oh no, what have you done? You killed our friend. We will get revenge. They'll hear you. Sorry, it was an accident.
What was that sound? Oh, it's you guys again.
We're back for revenge, and this time we're gonna win.
You guys can't do anything. How are you going to defeat me?
We're gonna burn your house down. Help!
The fire monsters turn into solids. Stormy turned the fire monster into ice cubes, which are solids. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Particles making a solid are very closely packed together. The particles in a solid are not completely motionless. Particles vibrate back and forth and move slightly. There are two types of solids. The first one is a crystalline solid. They are solids made of crystals that form a regular heating pattern. Examples are salt and sugar. They melt when heated at a specific temperature. Second one is amorphic solids. That is when particles are not arranged.
You dumb, we can just melt these.
Oh no!
We told you we would win.
It's payback time. Now I will turn into a gas so I can become invisible. Now the fire monsters won't be able to see me. Stormy is a gas. Stormy turns into a gas and becomes invisible so the fire monsters don't see him. A gas can change volume very easily. The gas particles in gas move around a lot and they move very fast as the particles in gas spread, filling all the space available. Because of this, gas has no definite shape or... Finally, I'm here. Now I can get revenge. Shh.
The fire monsters are defeated.
We can now live without fear.